Hi, I'm Shelly Taylor, team leader for Shell's Home Team, and we're your administrators for the Military Spouses and Families Facebook group page that you have requested PCS information from. You're going to be receiving an email from one of our administrators. Think of them as your personal concierge. They are going to help you and answer questions for you and give you any information. They're going to be sending you emails with links and try to make your PCS a little bit easier. Everyone that's an admin in this group is either has been active duty, is retired, was a military spouse or a family member, and or has their military relocation personnel designation, all geared around helping you get assimilated in your new permanent station. So take a look in your email. You should be getting an email from your concierge. You will also get a DM. Let that person be your friend and help you in any way possible. We know it might just be soft orders. It might be hard orders. You might be ready to buy a house. You might just want rental information. We don't care. We're here to help you. And obviously, anytime you need me, just send me a DM because I'll be around. Thanks.